Hello everyone, welcome to 100 Craft. In today's video, I will show you how to make a paper fan. It is very easy, useful and able to give a little bit of relief from the heat of the summer. You can easily carry it anywhere. If you are new in my channel, so please subscribe 100 Craft. So without any further delay, let's get started. You need a paper of this size. B side should be double of A side. First you have to put glue on the both side of the length. Now I am drawing some vertical lines on it. You can do as you like. You can also draw some black spots like that. Now fold it in a half. Fold it in a half again. Fold it in a half. Fold it in a half for one more time. this video, give it a thumbs up. Put your comment in comment section and thanks for watching.